it's Jess here from Aerial Yoga Life. Today I'm going to be doing a class with my very good friend, Crew May at Absolute Gym. She also teaches at Yoga Ananda at Jinjai Market in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So I'm very happy to be able to share her class with you today.
Step here and stand up. Then bend your right knee. Send your right elbow front. You can do the mascara draw. Then grab the hammock. Send your left elbow front. Lean your body to your left side. Look to your left toe. If you can, drop your head down and fly. 2 and 3. Grab the hammock, ready to fly. 4 variation. Grab the hammock between your chest and your arm. Send your body up. Fly arms up and fly. 1, 2. And 3, grab the hammock, keep your hammock about your knee level, slide your body down, sit down, bring your body back, release your left leg. Now I can grab the hammock and fly. 1, 2, and 3, bring grab your ankle, kick your feet to your palm. Stay, come back, drop your body from. Hammock should be on your waist, bend knee and lock it. Make sure the hammock on your waist. And drop your head down. 1, 2, and 3. Grab the hammock slowly. Lift your body up. Slowly swing your body up. Swing your legs up. Right hand up. 1, 2. 3, grab the hammock, standing, release the hammock from your feet, shoot, then slowly, grab the hammock, fly, 1, 2, 3, grab the hammock, release your left leg, 1 time, 2 time, drop your body down, and kick your body up, and here we go.
Ta-da! ขอบคุณค่ะ
Let's fly together.
So I hope that you enjoyed the class that I did with Crew May today. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you do create your own flow sequence, be sure to share and tag Aerial Yoga Life on Instagram and I'll share it in my Insta story. If you do want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.
See ya. Bye.